The first cases for the Galaxy S24 series were already visible weeks ago, and now the first display protection products are ready, and they confirm the leaks of the last few weeks. Very thin display edges and a flat display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra are likely to be the new focal points of the Galaxy S23 successor. A little more than 2 months until the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will officially be retired and replaced by the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The next Galaxy Unpacked date, most recently scheduled for January 17, 2024, is approaching, and the accessories industry is already preparing for it. The first protective cases were already visible a few weeks ago, and now the first pictures of display protection products for the new Samsung camera flagships are online. The pictures are intended to show films or glasses for protecting the new displays, which, according to previous leaks, will be based on new M13 AMOLED panels from Samsung. For the first time, the entire Galaxy S series will have flat displays and no longer curved displays, including the Ultra model, which in 2023 still had a slight curvature on the sides. This is now also confirmed by these accessory products, which also suggests that the edges have been reduced overall. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus continue to offer a more rounded look. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, as the spiritual successor to the Galaxy Note with an S Pen slot, sticks to the more angular design. Aside from the renewed AMOLED panels, Samsung will also promote the new camera flagships with new AI functions. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will also offer a new telephoto camera and an improved 200-megapixel sensor with Zoom Anyplace technology, all based on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks and see you next time. Peace out.